guys, hope you guys are doing well. So yes, I'm here with the same outfit from my previous video. You're gonna see this outfit a number of times. Pardon me, but it's more like a sequence, so just stay tuned and just follow this, okay? So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing before the next video, and in this unboxing I'm gonna show you guys my facial steamer, which I got from Amazon, and I will link that in the description box if you guys want to grab you one. I've heard a lot of good things about these, and maybe you're gonna see a previous video or the video after this where you get to see my skin under a microscope. So if you're interested in finding out what my skin looks like right now before cleansing, go ahead and hop into that video if you find it. Before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now, like, comment, share, all that great stuff. I want to hear from you guys, and if you've used this particular steamer, make sure you let me know in the comment section as well and how that's working out for you. So I got this facial steamer from Amazon, and it is the Nano facial steamer. Drum roll? No? Okay. Yes, quite affordable. I am not sure how this works yet. I will be going through that with you guys today. We're gonna unbox it, and then maybe after this I'm gonna try it out so you guys see how that works as well. This is the box, basically. Nothing really in the bottom. So that's basically that. It says, healthier skin goes beyond the surface. The Kinga Nano facial steamer produces ultrafine particles that penetrate your multiple skin layers with ease. This helps with replenishing moisture, balancing skin oils, refining pores, and achieving overall more tender and smoother skin. Enjoy a professional aesthetic steam facial with simple, convenient, one-touch operation. Provides a spa-like experience at home, which is what I need. There we go. So I'm going to open that so we see what's in there. Opening that over here. Okay. So that's the manual right here. It shows you how to operate that. The model exactly is KD2332 if you're interested in finding that out. So when I first got it, I was scared. I was like, I ordered this supposed to be coming with I ordered this with tools, but it didn't come in a different package, so I had to find that out. I had to open this to find out it was inside the package. So it comes with this, which I'll be opening in a few seconds or minutes, and then there we have the steamer. So let's get that out. Luckily it has a handle you can pull out with, so that's awesome. This is the steamer. Okay guys, that is the steamer. And like it said, it had a one touch, so I'm assuming this is the button right here, and it's on and off, 0, 1, or whatever that is. So that is basically all it is. Nothing extraordinary. I'm assuming this is the dispenser, so you put like water or something in here. Let's pull that out. Yeah, that's it. So just a little tube thing where you put water in for the whole process. I'm not sure how many hours or minutes this would take to run out, but that's basically it. And you just insert that back here, easy. And that's the cable, and this is where the steam is going to come out from. So this is definitely not the towel type. This is just the water, steam, and that's basically it. So that's cute. I like that it came like that with a zipper, so you can actually store it properly, right? And then now that I've opened that, there's a manual in there which tells you what each tool does. So I like that as well because I don't know how to use it. So that is going to be helpful. So it tells me which tool does what and what to use it for, which I find awesome. These are the tools that come with it. Okay guys? This is it, and I like this package actually because it's easy. You can carry it anywhere. I have 5 tools in here. I don't know if every steamer comes with the same number of tools, but I don't know if the camera's doing the right job. But anyway, I'm not going to go through all of it, but that's basically it. And then you just zip it right back. So that's it, guys. That's basically it with this package. I'm going to try it out now, and I'm probably going to show you guys what I'm doing with my skin. Because if you saw the microscopic view of my skin, you probably know that this is, not probably, you know that this is necessary for me right now. This was supposed to be a quick one, so thank you guys so much for staying in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed and joined the family, this is the moment for you to do that. You're always welcome. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Wow, look at that, guys. That's nasty.
It's not that bad. Okay, it's bad.